Scott's 84 Chrysler Laser. This is a turbo car. This car's awesome. First order of business. Swapping out our O2 sensor. There's our original. There's our new one from Denso. It was an NGK NTK from the factory, but none of them were available. So, got the Denso. Denso's good stuff too. The length and the thread and everything. Looking good. Get that done. Also, when we were inspecting, this intake air temp sender was loose. So I pulled it out, I cleaned it, put liquid Teflon on it, tightened her down. Good to go. Got some other goodies to show you in a minute too. Sensors in, other sensors in. Now for the meat and potatoes of this conversation. So this was the PCV tube on this car. It's been glued, it's cracked everywhere, it's leaking, it's full of oil and schmutz. These, pretty damn non-existent. Like they don't exist. It's been discontinued from Mopar for years and years and years and years and years and years. So, Scott, being the automotive sleuth that he is, bam, look at that. Date of manufacture, 4/17 of 2000. Date of shipment from the DC to Village Dodge in Hudson, New York, 7/7 of 2000. These may be the last two PCV tubes on the face of the earth. Perfect shape, soft, brand new, absolutely perfect and fabulous. But yep, these are the last two. We only need one, but when you find two and they're non-existent, guess what? You buy two, and it's okay to be a hoarder. I wonder though, because this is the frickin' Laser, maybe you can buy this for $1 million. Scott, because this is the frickin' Laser, maybe you can sell this extra one for $1 million. Just an FYI, I wasn't going to do this install right now anyway. I was going to wait for us to smog the car. This regulator does not match this regulator.